Hello everyone. A circle is a set of all points equidistant from a given point. The point from which all the points on a circle are equidistant is called the center of the circle. The distance from that point to the circle is called the radius of the circle. The other major parts of the circle are diameter, circumference, and chord. So today let us discuss something more about circles in our lesson Circles. Secant of a circle. A secant is a line that interacts a circle in 2 points. In the figure, line K is a secant. Tangent of a circle. A tangent is a line in the plane of a circle that intersects the circle in exactly 1 point. Concentric circles. In a plane, 2 circles can intersect in 2 points, 1 point or no points. Coplanar circles that intersect in 1 point are called tangent circles. Coplanar circles that have a common center are called concentric. Circles that have a common center are called concentric circles. Now let us see a theorem. The tangent at any point of circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Consider xy a tangent of the circle at the point A. OA is a radius. From the figure, OB is equal to OC plus CB. OB is equal to OA plus AC. OA is equal to OC because they are radii. OB is greater than OA. OA is the shortest distance. The shortest distance of a point from a given line is perpendicular distance from that line. So, OA is perpendicular to xy. Hence proved that the tangent at any point of circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Next theorem. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Look at the figure and understand. Let circle be with center 0 and P be a point outside circle. PQ and PR are 2 tangents to circle intersecting at point Q and R respectively. Hence, we need to prove that lengths of tangents are equal, that is, PQ is equal to PR. Observe the figure. In triangle OQP and triangle ORP, we have angle OQP is equal to angle ORP since both are 90 degree. OP is equal to OP is a common side. OQ is equal to OR. Both are radius. Therefore, triangle OQP is equal to triangle ORP due to RHS congruency rule. Hence, PQ is equal to PR through CPCT, that is, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Hence proved that the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Now let us take an example. AB is a tangent to a circle with center 0 at point A of radius 6 cm. It meets the line OB such that OB is equal to 10 cm. What is the length of AB? Look at the figure carefully. AB is a tangent to a circle at point A. Since tangent AB is perpendicular to the radius OA, triangle OAB is a right angle triangle and OB is the hypotenuse of triangle OAB. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. AB square is equal to OB square minus OA square. Then we have AB is equal to square root. In the square root, OB square minus OA square. So AB is equal to square root of, in the square root, 10 square minus 6 square. So AB is equal to 64 square root. Square root of 64 is 8. So AB is equal to 8 centimeters. So this was a summary of our lesson circles. Circles are abundant in our daily life in regards to man-made objects, artificial objects, etc. Circles can be found in modern architecture and many other things. So learning about their facts is very important. Thank you, students.